Well, last video we talked about these light panels here not working. They quit working. All it would do is turn white like that. Now watch. Now it works. But I've made an executive decision. I'm not going to fix something that's not broken. Now it'll break again, and that's when I'll fix it. I just don't want to fool with it if it's working. In the last video I sent out a plea for help. I'm like, help me, somebody help me. A lot of people made comments, good constructive comments. I think I'm a lot smarter about it now than I was before. I got a lot of great comments, a lot of great suggestions on how to fix this thing. I just don't want to get in there and jiggle things around. If it's working, I'm gonna wait till it's not working. And the actual problem probably most likely exists right here in this panel here, which is behind this television. And I had a lot of people help me with this. I'll deal with it when the time comes. What I'm going to do today is pressure wash this RV. This pressure washer we're going to use today, I'll put the link down in the video description. I got it from Amazon, of course. I have not used it to pressure wash this RV yet. Let's put it to the test. Incidentally, welcome back to the channel. I want you to subscribe to this channel. We really appreciate it. It's free. It won't cost you a dime to subscribe to this channel. You know what? It is free. And you know who can show you what free looks like? You remember Jack Benny? The late, great Jack Benny? Let him show you what free looks like. Hit it, Jack.
Would you like to sample? How about you?
I keep it right here in this compartment. It's this one right here. Let me show it to you. I got my wand, an extra 50 feet of pressure washing hose, and our pressure washer. I removed the handle. It's just too much trouble. I never used it anyway. This works great. Well, here's how we're going to do this thing. We're going to take our 50-foot water hose and hook it up to the city. And we're going to take our flow meter to determine how much water it takes to wash this big old RV. Make sure that if you do this, you have a pressure reducer on your water hose. You don't want to blow out the seals in your little pressure washer, do you? No, you don't. A 45 to 50 pressure reducer. And we're going to hook it up. We're going to start on the roof and work our way down. Well, all this talk of work is kind of creating an appetite. I think we will get a Whataburger.
Thank you, hon.
Have a good one.
I don't know where to park.
I think of all the fast food burgers, Whataburger is the best.
It is. I don't need a burger at any other place. I won't have a burger at any of those places. I haven't in 30, 40 years at least.
Well, I made it up here without breaking my neck thus far. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take this part of the pressure washer wand off, and we're going to put it on our little foamer. There we go. Now we'll start foaming. Finally, after all this talk, we're going to get some work done. Well, that's good enough for government work. It looks pretty good. Now let's go downstairs. Well, I noticed one thing while I was up here pressure washing is that the bedroom slide awning has deteriorated, it's ripped, and it's come loose from the RV, and that's got to be fixed. There's another thing I'm gonna have to work with. I've never done it, but I'll figure it out. You can see how it's come loose there. It's raggedy over there and over here. Come loose, and it's come loose from the RV. I'll have to fix that. No big deal. Well, you can see on our flow meter here, we use 53.3 gallons to wash this RV. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's what it took. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look how pretty that is, huh? That's a great pressure washer. For $100, I guess so. Well, you get the idea. It's pressure washing. It's not rocket science. It is a lot of work, though. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making this. That's a lot of work for an old man. Give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. And we appreciate it. This was a lot of fun. Okay, well, I thank you, and we'll see you next time. You take care, and peace to you.